Right, welcome to this week's episode of
Minis and Motorbikes.
What was that? Did you hear that?
What? What's the matter with you?
Oh, I don't know, I must be losing it, mate. Anyway, right, what are we doing? What are we doing? Are we back on the bikes? Are we doing one of the bikes?
No, we're not. I'm taking you out. We're going out for the afternoon.
Oh, take me out?
Yes.
Somewhere nice?
Yes.
What, meal? Slow
Yes.
meal, drinks, all that sort of thing, all on you?
I hope
No?
you've got clean pants on.
Oh, on. Hopefully. Right, we're going out that way,
Yeah,
are we?
come here.
I'm turning me back on the camera. I'll go first, shall I? All right, come, where are we going then? I'm all excited. Are we going to go in the van? Are we coming in your van? Hey? Hey?
Pardon?
What? Hey?
Hey?
Are we coming in your van?
No, we're going in the van.
Right, is Kip going to let me in?
Yeah.
I'll let you get in the van first.
Let me get in first.
He might have a right go at me otherwise.
I'll hold him, 'cause he's a little...
Right.
Come here.
You let me in, mate. Let's in. Let's in. Come. I'm kicking. I might need a hand here. I might need hands. It's high up, isn't it?
Bloody dog.
Come on, Kip.
Get in.
Come on, Kip.
Get
Go.
in.
In.
Hey.
Here we go. Right. So what then? Where are we going then? What are we doing? What are we doing?
Calm down, Kip. We're going to get another Mini.
Oh, not another Mini.
Shut up.
Right. So this Mini then is it like good? Is it running and rolling and everything? Is it?
Yeah.
Oh yeah. What? It's not another shed, is it?
Two sets of keys for it.
What? You might have two sets of keys. Don't mean it starts and goes, does it?
Well, we'll find out, won't we?
Oh God. Oh no. Oh no. Oh, are we here?
Yeah.
It didn't take long, did it?
No, look,
That was alright, wasn't it?
It's
Is
a
this
banana.
it?
It's a banana.
Oh, it's yellow, isn't it? Well, let's hope it goes. Let's hope it's a good one and not a shed, eh?
Shed and buried.
Let's have a look. Let's go and have a look. You stay there, Kip. Hopefully she starts.
I think it needs your
Be a bonus, won't it?
needs your cleaning skills.
Oh, it does need a bit of a clean up.
Yeah.
Does need a bit of a clean up, but that's nothing, is it?
No.
Right. You better get in it and see if it actually
Hook the
starts up
battery
then. Yeah. Oh, you got to hook the battery up, have you?
Yeah. Yeah, because we disconnected it ages ago. Go, look.
What you got to do? Oh, I see. Oh, hello. Get a bit of light in here. Look, there we go. That's better.
Yeah. Come prepared, look.
Oh, right. And you got high hopes for this, have you?
Don't know. I mean, it's been looked after. I mean, it ain't been used for a year, but they have looked after it. You know, it's had services and everything. So, right then.
Right.
Let's see. I mean, it does need a good clean and cutting and, you know. The other thing I've noticed, if you come in here, look, I don't know if that's had a knock and it's been repaired, but it's got a little dent, it sticks out there.
You can just make that out,
So I
yeah.
don't know if it's been hit there with something.
Had a little knock, but yeah.
But is it worth worrying about that?
Not really, is it? You might have more problems to worry about in a minute.
Let's see.
Will the window wind down?
Bear with.
Well, that's one thing, isn't it? Hello, arm out. Look at this, look. Arm out, easy cruiser. Right.
Oh, right
The
then.
radio works.
Radio works, and we've got fuel. We've got a quarter tank of fuel.
Billy bonus.
Right, I'll give you a couple of pumps.
This ain't gonna. You jammy dodger. You jammy dodger. There's been no editing done here. That was first time key. We've literally just undone. Well, it's all right, isn't it? Right, you gonna see if it runs and rolls. I'll tell you what.
It's got gears.
Goes all right, doesn't it?
It's got gears.
Yeah. Quick, let's get it on the A-frame before they change their mind.
It's got gears, so.
I know. Sounds all right. Even the exhaust sounds all right.
Supposed to be gone.
Get it on the back of the lorry then. Get it on the back of the van and we'll get it back to the workshop. Perfect. Yeah, she needs a bit of a clean up, doesn't she? Bit of love and care.
I'm changing the back bumper anyway.
Yeah.
So I'm going to put a R53 back, but I think I found a yellow one. So it's got so we can put a second exit exhaust on it.
Yeah, but apart from that,
yeah, it's all right, isn't it? It's no rust in that on it.
We could be all right. We could be all right.
Yeah.
I reckon a smile at the camera's needed from you, mate. You jammy git. Right, get it back to the workshop then.
Let's get back.
Have a proper look at it. You can tell me what you're going to do with it.
Oh. That shocked you, that started, didn't it?
Oh, it did. It did.
Hello, Gibby.
Oh, I never thought it was going to do that.
So just pull away in the corner.
Oh, yeah, just pull.
It's a shame I forgot the wire for the toe board, isn't it?
Get the window down. Stinky bloke. You know, well, that's right then, wasn't it?
Yeah, it's bloody cold, yeah.
Yeah, your van got us back all right, didn't it?
Yeah, it did.
Absolutely superb, right?
I thought we were going to have trouble there.
Right, so,
Yes.
what's your plans?
Plans. If I hadn't locked the keys in it, we could have. Why do modern cars do that when you're going along? The keys in it, with the ignition on, and it locked the doors itself. Why do they do that?
You think with the keys in, it wouldn't do that,
It wouldn't
would
do
you?
it, yeah. Basically, front seats out, and I'm going to put leather seats from a Volkswagen Scirocco.
Oh,
I'll try and get a picture of them for you so you can see what they're like.
right.
Rear seat delete, so it won't have a seat in it, and we put like a carpeted back in it and all that sort of stuff.
Okay.
Strut brace in the back, strut brace in the front, bracing underneath.
Oh, what are you going to do then?
Standard shocks, because you don't need to put coilovers on them, no matter what all these other people tell you. Standard shocks with 40mm lowering springs, it might be 30mm lowering springs. Tickle the engine a little bit, because it probably will need a rebuild, I reckon.
Right.
And put different cam shaft in it and play with the brains of it.
Right.
Straight through exhaust. Actually, we use the exhaust bits and pieces that we had for the other one, because we can't make our own for that, can we? So we can use them, so they can cost us anything.
Yeah. Cough again.
And change the back bumper for a R53 Cooper S back bumper, because it's got the central hole for the exhaust, and that's it. And wheels. I'm going to put pepper pot wheels on it.
Oh,
and I'll give you a picture of them as well.
lovely.
Yeah.
Right. Better say our goodbyes then, haven't we?
Yeah.
Yeah. Well, thanks for watching this week.
Thanks, everybody.
At least we picked up another Mini, haven't we? Another Mini.
Yeah.
Another Mini, but
More
should be
crap
good.
for the workshop. No, but I'm going to use that myself, aren't I? So
Yeah, all right.
that'll
brilliant.
actually be the Minis and Motorbikes Mini. So
Yeah,
that'll be my
hell.
road car. So if the van backs up, we've got a car to fall back.
You better do your usual, ain't you?
Yeah, thanks for watching, everybody. Don't forget to like and subscribe, give us a thumbs up and a lovely comment. A lovely comment would be fantastic. Thank you so much. See you next time.
Don't stop watching because the outtakes are coming up.
Got enough light?
Yeah.
Oh, Jesus. You'd be excited.
Hey?
You'd be excited if you saw a green butterfly.
I've completely ballsed all that up. Let's do it again.
What? Mainly yellow minis, right?